I had an interest in business when I was in sixth form. I enjoyed it out of all the other subjects I studied. With the course, I enjoy the teachers, my tutor as well. She's really helpful. And the HG hub is also quite useful. It's quite quiet to work in, and there's access to computers as well. I chose college campus over university because I thought it'd be easier travelling back and forth, more convenient for me as I drove. I think the best thing is the help I have is it was a smaller class, so I got more of the lecturers' time and attention, so I can ask questions easier. I don't feel like I'm pressured or there's too many in a class. What I like most about my course is it's given me encouragement, bravery, I think, and exploring my knowledge as well on business, how I want to start my business, where I want to go with it. After this course, I'm planning on going through the estate agency and starting there, or maybe starting my own business. Yeah, I would recommend it. I think for people who are not sure if they want to go to university campus, they find it scary or too far, or want to stay closer to home but still want to do the course, I think it's great for that reason.